I caught it bad just today. You hit me with a call to your place. Ain't been out in a while anyway. Was hoping I could catch you throwing smiles in my face. Romantic talking, you don't even have to try. You're cute enough to with me tonight. Looking at the table and I see the reason why. Baby, you living the life, but baby, you ain't living right. Champagne and drinking with your friends. You live in the dark, boy, I cannot pretend. I'm not faced, only here to sin. If you've been in your garden, you know that you can. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me out by your name, I'll be on the way. Like, I wanna sell what you're buying. I wanna feel on your in the wire. I want that jet lag from and flying. Put a smile on your mouth while I'm I mean, a sign of the times every time that I speak. A diamond and nine, it was mine every week. What a time and decline, God was shining on me. Now I can't leave, and now I'm making hella Italy. Never want the best in my league. I only want the ones I envy. I envy. Champagne and drinking with your friends. You live in the dark, boy, I cannot pretend. I'm not faced, only here to sin. If you've been in your garden, you know that you can. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me out by your name, I'll be on the way. Like, call me by your name. Tell me you love me in private. Call me by your name. How do I care if you're lying?
What the Sigma?
Wow. Give it up for the cat and the kaiju.
Talk about storytelling. Oh my goodness. I could feel like that was a feature film that I was watching in live action. Wow.
I think they're so excited. They're like, I can't believe I did it.
Oh my gosh, I'm so cool. I got boogers in my nose and stuff. They got the wigglies in their nose again. It's like what happened that other
Oh,
day.
God.
Yeah, they got the
Oh.
Ew, get.
Oh,
Those are
Oh, that's
replacement
right.
noodles. Okay,
They
never
love
mind.
you so
You're a
much
noodle
they
then.
wanted to be like you.
There we go. More noodles. Yay, the agenda's
Yay.
working.
Judges, save me. Tell me something.
Okay, so hello, the cat and the kaiju. I'm happy to see you on the stage. Hi. So, I really love the partnering work that you did. I can tell you all have been practicing that really well. Your entrances and exits for them were very clean. I very much appreciate that. One thing I want you to work on choreographically, when you are having individual choreo, that is perfectly fine to have when you do have two individuals, but I would like you to find a way to have there be more connection between the two so it doesn't feel like two solos are going on the stage at the same time, right? So just working on that connection between the two. Other than that, absolutely love this performance. Thank you so much.
Let's give it up.
for Cat and Kaiju. Or is it like kaiju and noodle? Or is it the cat and the noodle?
Is it a
noodle cat?
It's
is
a
it a kaiju noodle?
No. It's a canoodle.
It's a canoodle.
There you
Yay,
go.
canoodles.